What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best oil additives for diesel engines on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered for more information on the products. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Number 5.
In our list, the number 5 product name is Valvoline 10W30 diesel engine oil. Heavy-duty trucks and hard-working equipment powered by diesel engines need durable motor oil that's both protective and efficient. Valvoline Premium Blue, one solution Gen2 engine oil designed to protect hard-working diesel, gasoline, and natural gas engines helps provide the best of both worlds. It reduces working capital with inventory consolidation by eliminating the need for multiple engine oils. Plus, it helps avoid critical failures by reducing the potential for human error. Our superior blend resists oxidation, deposits, corrosion, and wear better than industry standards. No wonder our proprietary One Solution technology is exclusively endorsed and recommended by Cummins for both on-road and off-highway applications for heavy-duty diesel, gasoline, or natural gas engines. It's specially formulated for faster and safer cold starts and has enhanced thermal properties for high temperatures during hot weather to help ensure year-round performance. Plus, extended drain intervals reduce oil changes so your engine can work longer between downtime.
Number 4.
In our list, the number 4 product name is Rella Shell Rotella 5U40 diesel engine oil. Shell Rotella TE65U40 diesel engine oil is a full synthetic motor oil that features exclusive triple protection plus technology, formulated with fully synthetic base oils plus advanced additives to protect against wear, deposits, and oil breakdown. It also provides better low-temperature flow and increased fuel economy performance, without compromising durability. Compared to conventional, say, 1540 oils, Shell Rotella TIX 5040 full synthetic motor oil is suitable for virtually all modern low-emission heavy-duty engines and older hard-working diesel engines. Consult your owner's manual for heavy-duty engine oil recommendations. With its wide range of specifications and approvals from many of the world's leading engine makers, it is an excellent choice for on-highway fleets, general haul, construction, agriculture, public transport operators, and diesel pickup trucks.
Number 3.
In our list, the number 3 product name is Castrol Edge 5U30 synthetic motor oil. Castrol Edge is Castrol's most advanced engine oil. It is a premium full synthetic oil that is designed for consumers who demand the best performance from their cars. Castrol Edge is recommended by leading car manufacturers. Castrol Edge is engineered with fluid titanium technology that physically changes the way the oil behaves under pressure. Castrol Edge is 3x stronger against viscosity breakdown than the leading full synthetic and conventional motor oils as a result of increased demand for performance and fuel economy. Pressures in today's engines have almost doubled over the last 3 decades. Greater pressure means more stress for the oil and the potential for more friction. As metal-to-metal contact increases, it causes wear and reduces performance. Underneath the hood, the pressure can reach 10 tons per square centimeter. That's like 5 cars resting on a high heel relying only on a micro-thin layer of oil for protection. So you need a strong oil to reduce friction and to help increase horsepower and fuel economy. To combat the increased pressures faced in today's engines, Castrol Edge is engineered with fluid titanium technology that physically changes the way the oil behaves under pressure. Castrol's patented titanium technology provides documented performance in friction reduction, anti-wear, and deposit control protection. The titanium-based technology ensures performance and strength. Castrol Edge is 3x stronger against viscosity breakdown than the leading premium full synthetic and conventional oils. Tested in the ASTM D6278 test in the 5-30 viscosity grade.
Number 2.
In our list, the number 2 product name is Valvoline Full Synthetic Say 016 Motor Oil. Today's advanced engine technology requires advanced protection. Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic 016, the motor oil specially designed to protect today's sophisticated engines. Our exclusive mixture contains advanced anti-wear additives, superior antioxidants, and extra detergents. With an exceptional range of temperature protection, it ensures your engine will be prepared for any rough weather and road conditions. Engineered with ingenuity, tested with tenacity, and proven with purpose, our formula was innovated in America with a century and a half of hands-on experience from the original motor oil brand. Protect critical engine parts in everyday driving. Severe driving happens more often than you think. In fact, it's often the everyday driving trips, like a quick trip to the store or commuting to work, that actually have a severe effect on your engine. During short trips or excessive idling, lesser motor oils can't handle the large temperature fluctuation that happens inside your engine. This can lead to sludge and deposits that harm your valves, fuel injectors, and piston rings. That's why just any motor oil won't do. Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic coats and protects all those critical engine parts and is proven to provide 40 better wear protection than industry standards. 40 better protection against wear. Our Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic motor oil has additional boosters to minimize the effects of heat. At higher temperatures, you get thinner oil that can cause more wear as the high spots on the metal surfaces can break through the layer of oil and rub against each other. That causes valvetrain wear, timing chain wear, and bearing wear, among other problems. Our full synthetic oil is combined with the right additives to minimize these problems, reducing wear by 40% in the ILSAC GF5 test. With less wear, your engine is going to last longer. Not only that, it will make it run better and result in better fuel economy. 24x stronger protection than the leading synthetic motor oil. Rust or corrosion can wear down essential engine parts and shorten the life of your car. We tested Valvoline Full Synthetic Motor Oil side by side against the leading synthetic and certified with a third party. Valvoline provides superior protection by surrounding water molecules, preventing them from separating and threading the engine. Protect your car with the motor oil proven to maximize engine life. Valvoline Full Synthetic Motor Oil.
Number 1.
In our list, the number 1 product name is Valvoline Full Synthetic Say 5U30 Motor Oil. Upgrading your motor oil to Valvoline Full Synthetic High Mileage with MaxLife technology can help you increase the longevity of your car, truck, or SUV with over 75,000 miles. It's proven to protect your high-mileage motor against wear, friction, heat, and deposits, the leading causes of engine breakdown and expensive repairs. Our exclusive formulation goes beyond industry standards to protect your engine. It's fortified with enhanced wear additives and friction-fighting agents to safeguard critical engine components, extra detergents to clean inside your engine, and premium seal conditioners to restore aging seals and prevent leaks. Superior viscosity, modifiers, and high-quality base oils help it perform exceptionally in both high and low temperatures. Engineered with ingenuity, tested with tenacity, and proven with purpose. Our formula was innovated in America with a century and a half of hands-on experience from the original motor oil brand.